Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm your mentor Stanish Kill. Before we begin our today's tutorial, let me give you some basic instruction. All that we are going to learn today is from this wonderful book Speak English with Stanish Kill. This book is available on all the online platforms and top-notch bookstores. You can find the link of this book in the description area. It is my strong suggestion that after watching each video, please refer to this book for detailed explanation and more examples. Remember, you are not watching a movie or a web series. Follow the golden rule. Don't go for the lunch until you have not digested your breakfast. Clear your concept first. Then only move to another video and accordingly to a new chapter. The book and the video is made in a chronological way, referring to as chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, so on and so forth. Please follow the continuity rule and strictly no overlapping. And for our online course, kindly WhatsApp us at 9136 702 777. I repeat, 9136 702 777. So friends, if you are prepared now with the ground rule, then let's dive into the learning with complete excitement.
Welcome to chapter number 12, Modal Auxiliary. Modal auxiliary is used to express ideas such as ability, possibility, intention, necessity, and duty of the subject. Modal auxiliary acts as a helping verb in the sentence. The main verb is in the base form while using the modal auxiliary. The sequence is subject plus modal auxiliary plus verb in a base form and then sentence completion. Modal auxiliary can. Modal auxiliary can is used to express ability. For example, we can defeat the Australian in the World Cup. I can go to school tomorrow. I can pass the exam. Sanjay can run the marathon. Virat can score a century. Modal auxiliary could. Modal auxiliary could is used to express past ability. For example, Mike Tyson could knock out any boxer in his peak. I could climb up the mountain. I could run 100 meters. Modal auxiliary may. Modal auxiliary may is used to express possibility. For example, it may rain today. I may go to school tomorrow. Sachin may score a century. My uncle may come today. Modal auxiliary might. Modal auxiliary might is used to express lesser possibility. For example, it might rain today. I might go to school tomorrow. Sachin might score a century. My uncle might come today. Modal auxiliary will. Modal auxiliary will is used to express prediction, hope, certainty. For example, Sachin will score a century. God will answer your prayer. My uncle will come tomorrow. Modal auxiliary would. Modal auxiliary would is used to express past form of will. For example, India would have won if Sachin had performed well. I asked sir if he could teach me. Modal auxiliary shall. Modal auxiliary shall is used to express lesser certainty. For example, I shall go to school tomorrow. Modal auxiliary should. Modal auxiliary should is used as an advice. For example, you should not smoke too much. one should eat only healthy food. We should keep our city clean. Modal auxiliary must. Modal auxiliary must is used to express necessity. For example, the teacher scolded, "You must complete your homework before coming to the school tomorrow." Modal auxiliary have to. Modal auxiliary have to is used to express obligation. For example, I have to go to school tomorrow. So friends, for detailed explanation and more examples, please buy my book Speak English with Stanish Gill. This book is available on all the leading online platforms and top-notch bookstores. If you like the video, then please share, like, follow, comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are updated with all upcoming videos. Please write your feedback in the comment section. So see you in the next chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.